LeBron James was absolutely phenomenal last night against the San Antonio Spurs. His Lakers were down 8 in the fourth, and he went for 14 straight points. You saw that three. Now he's driving to the rim. He goes and one to give his Lakers a 1-point lead. Yeah, Rondo, you see my spin move. Rajon Rondo obviously out with injury. He'll be back soon. Brandon Ingram also went down in this game, so LeBron had to play a couple extra minutes over his season average, and he was feeling it. Deep three from LeBron James with a little over 5 minutes to go. Yeah, I'm hot. Lakers up 3 now. King James putting this game away. That's right in the face of Rudy Gay. That three-pointer is good. 115-111. Lakers running away with this one. LeBron gets a look. No, let me go cut to the basket, get it back. 2, and he's looking for a foul. The Lakers come back and beat the San Antonio Spurs. LeBron goes for 42. For more sports content like this, hit me on YouTube at Pharaoh Reacts.